This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Janice Leeson. An awesome sweeping golf course view from this WCI-built home with 1907 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths and a flex space. This wide-open floor plan offers options for entertaining and casual living. The kitchen features white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, granite counters, glass and tile backsplash, low bar and corner pantry. 8-feet doors, custom lighting and fans, and large eating area with lots of natural light make this home feel welcoming. The extended lanai is plumbed for an outdoor kitchen. Pelican Preserve is the optimum as 55 and better resort-style living. Please visit the town center with over 70,000 square feet of amenities including fitness CTR, tennis, pickleball, indoor and outdoor pools, pool bar and grill, restaurant, theater, outdoor amphitheater, dog park, and more activities and clubs than you is possible to fit into your day. And if golf is your passion, the optional 27-hole championship golf club has full and social memberships available. Close to the airport and shopping, Pelican Preserve gives you not just a home, a lifestyle. For more information, review the details below.